Hello guys. Today we're going in playing volleyball legend, and I'm using guitar, and this is the first video. So I'm gonna send this later, and we're talking about all my. So okay, that's bad because it's that's it by the way. By the way, guys, don't be too skillish again. Rico is I think good for opponents who's using blockers like Hirakumi or Mikage or something else like Kiamo. Yeah. I know that second. Let's see. Anyway, why did you ape Rakaijo level 80 bro? Seriously? You're waiting for the receive, man. And I'm gonna ape this too. And double spike. That's good, that's good. Double spike is surfing. Like this is my favorite surfing. And now we have redirection jump. So we're gonna use this only for my thing surf because I don't think so I can use this any opponent. Oh my god, what was that, man? What was that, man? Dude, I tried to aim in many blockers. Yeah, just like that. I like that. Ha ha ha, what the fuck do you mean? I mean, why the... Oh, there's that. It's a cool back tilt. But you're seeing Kaiju. Kaiju is so annoying when it turns in serving because you can even where should we set I don't know. And Enko is easy to wreck when you're good at receiving. Maybe Rico is the hardest thing to receive because it bounces on the wall. Beside that, it's good in serving. What? What in the world was that, man? I know that's not it, but it's so bad. Man, I'm trying. Oh my god. This. Oh my god. So once, bro, I don't wanna play this team. I don't wanna. Oh my days. And of course, 8. And I don't care, bro. I don't care. Score or whatever or out, bro. I hate when someone is HP and it's out. Oh, that's bad. Sorry to I like using Hidari when once 1v1 or 2v1 because like it trolls everyone like you're setting but really is fun. My god. Pay to win? Pay to win? Are you serious? Are you serious, man? Of course, over here. I'm even trying to do, man. Oh, what? Wait, I hit that with my left hand. Okay, here goes, man. And I'm not MVP because I'm joining the game. It's the Meowth Aper. It's the Aper again, man. This is my side. I'm trying to get this Mikage. I hate Marketo. That's a skill issue. And Akari is better than Marketo. I'm trying to get Mikage, but I have 50 spins, guys. 50 spins. So I spin out my Sanju. Oh my god. I lost the 50 lucky spins and my Sanju. How, what should we spin? Mikage or Sanju? I'm not a blocker. I'm not a blocker because when opponent is Rico, you're so good. You're so good, man. You're so good. Never mind. I don't care. Alright, this is the ending of my video. So subscribe, share to this to your friends, and support me. Thank you. Bye bye.